So let me show you how to enable Gemini's voice on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So if you have Gemini and you're asking Gemini questions and Gemini is answering, for instance, what's the weather like today, Gemini? And Gemini is not saying anything, then you can enable Gemini's voice. So to do that, go to settings. So swipe down and tap on settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to Google. Tap on that and then tap on digital assistant. Of course, I'm assuming Gemini is your default Google assistant. So, or rather AI assistant. So you want to scroll down until you see Gemini's voice, and you can enable that from here. And then from now on, whenever you ask a question, what's the weather like today, Gemini?
Currently, it's 17 and mostly cloudy.
So the volume is kind of low, but that's Gemini's voice enabled. Thanks for watching and good luck.